I got a little head.
You got a little head. Oh. We're gonna need someone to open that door.
Look at my little head. You're gonna make one right there. Really? Did you take a picture of my snow angel? Hey! Wait. Go and get my snow angel. Wait, I'm in a fight right now.
Oh, where did you go?
I'm fighting these guys.
Careful. Run, girl, run. Don't stop there. You gotta go up this. You can't go up there. It's not. It's locked.
No.
You gotta go over here.
Take me. No. I got him. I think it went in his mouth. This fun. Stop.